Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am here to plan out the week of May 25th through May 31st in my Makse Life vertical planner, and I'm going to be using this kit from Paper Belle. This was sent to me by one of you. So sweet, had lots of notes. Actually, it still has lots of notes. And I realized while organizing my stickers that it started to get a little bit yellow. I can't remember how long ago you sent this to me, but it has started to yellow a little bit. So some of the stickers may not quite be usable, but luckily I think that there are enough here to get us through a week. So we have this full box page. I will definitely be using some of these. This travel page, I don't need that. We have this half box page, which I'll definitely use. This one is all kind of financial stuff, so I don't really need this one. This one, oh, I can use one of the day off stickers. That's cute because I have Monday off because it's Memorial Day. I do love this one with all the film and the edit, so that one will be perfect. Instagram, photo shoot, those are cute. These are cute. Scallops are not my favorite. I feel like I've mentioned that before, so I'm gonna set that one aside. We have these half boxes that are sparkly, and then these sparkly half boxes, or quarter boxes, and then normal quarter boxes. And then we have these habit trackers, which I don't really need because I don't normally do habit trackers here. And then we have this page of full boxes. So those are the ones that I will mostly be grabbing for, but I'm excited to use these. They do feel like a pretty thick vinyl, so I don't think they're gonna be too removable. And I'm trying to decide because there are these cute plaid ones, but then do I do my one color per column with these 4 colors? I think so. And I think I'm gonna base it off of the fact that the day off is either gonna be pink or purple. I think we'll do pink, and we'll just kind of do it as if it's almost Roy G. Biv. So pink, oh, but I kind of wish we could do 2 purples because I like the purple. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my own kind of Roy G. Biv. I'm really just gonna switch the purple and the teal. So I'm gonna start with a half box at the top for what, ooh, like I said, these stickers feel very, not removable. That's what I found with really glossy stickers like this. They're not removable at all. So wherever I put these down, that's where they're gonna go down, which means you might see my head a few times in this plan with me because I just need to be able to get them straight on the first try. So I'm gonna do pink, and then I'm gonna do yellow. I know normally I start with the washi at the bottom, but I think for this one, I'm just gonna start at the top and work my way down, and then we'll see how much space is at the end. And I may just leave it and not bother with trying to match all the washi. Truthfully, you know, if you watched last week's plan with me, I put it off until Tuesday because I wasn't really feeling it. Wasn't really feeling it this week either, but I knew that I needed to get it done. The less, I guess, effort that I have to put into it. That purple one is not straight. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm not even gonna mess with it. However, I just realized that I put the pink one down as if I'm doing a morning slot, but I have Monday off. So that is a huge bummer. Also, I'm going to try this new thing that instead of repeating the colors in the same order, I'm gonna go up and then go back down. That's how Kristen, I noticed, from Chrissy designs her kits. When she has the date covers, is it always goes like, you know, it just reverses the order. So I'm gonna try that this week and try and go this way and then go back down. So this will be yellow and this will be pink. Anyways, that's why I put this purple one here. I think it'll be fine for Monday. I'll just put the day off sticker, instead of it going like up here, I'll just put it on this half box sticker. Cause let's be real, I'm gonna sleep in on my day off. I love sleep. Even though I am a morning person, I still love sleep. And so I will sleep in on my day off. That's not totally centered, but it's good enough. Let me know down in the comments, are you a morning person or are you an evening person? So let's start with the actual weekdays where I'm going to work, and then I'll go back and do Monday. Just because I wanna be consistent with how things line up, and I like the way that I do my weekdays. Like, that's important for me to be consistent. I'm trying to decide if I wanna do the same yellow or if I wanna do a different yellow one. I think I wanna do a different one. See how the backgrounds are a little bit different. We've got polka dots, we've got some sprinkles. So this one had the same background as my half box there, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a quarter box. I'm gonna leave a little bit more white space than I normally do because I know that I'm likely not gonna put washi at the bottom. So we've got that yellow one, and we've got this purple one. And then let's do this one for the blue. Or the teal. It's not blue, like it's teal. Yeah, I can't. These stickers are so cute, but I need removable stickers in my life. At least ones that are a little bit easier to move than these. Okay, let's do some quote stickers for work. Do I like life is what you bake it or life is short, eat the cake? I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna be honest, this one, because obviously it's a pun on life is what you make it. And I immediately think of Hannah Montana. That's literally just where my brain goes, guys. Like, I think of life's what you make it, so let's make it rock. Because that's what Hannah Montana says. I like this quote that a party without a cake is just a meeting, but you can really, really see the yellowing there. So I'm gonna do this one. Have your cupcake and eat it too. So cute. And then I'm gonna go do this one, of course, like cupcakes and coffee. I've been drinking a lot more coffee recently than I was before this whole thing started, to be just to let you know there. And then in the evenings, I'm going back to trying to do just one thing in the evenings. Actually, I'm gonna use the sparkle ones. Oh, do I want that? Because I don't know if I want them all to be sparkle. Well, I guess it's fine. They'll just all be sparkle. So I actually am gonna have a lot of extra space at the bottom, I just realized. So I'm going back to trying to do just one thing in the evenings. I think I'm trying to find the balance between, again, between like dealing with not feeling like doing anything and actually getting things done. And so I think having one thing that I focus on in the evenings and like that's the thing that I need to get done is going to be better than trying to cram it all in and then not having the energy to do anything and not getting any of it done. At least if it's just one thing, I can, you know, have a conversation with myself that's like, can you muster up the energy to do that one thing? And then you can lay around and do nothing. Because I've been getting really good at that, guys. I'm also doing not a great job of putting down these stickers straight. It's kind of going all over the place. Okay, let's leave that for now. Let's go back and do Monday. So on Monday, I basically am going to do a bunch of editing. I'm gonna edit like 3 things. So normally I would put a full box down and just like write all the things I'm gonna edit, but I'm thinking maybe I'll do, well, I have 2 ideas. One is to do a half box for each one and actually write all of them. The other thought I had was to just use a full box and put edit in the middle. So I might, even though it's my day off, I might duplicate what it looks like here and just do the same thing and have one small thing that I want to get through my PlanwithLaken emails on Monday morning. Do that first. Eat that frog, as they say. And then I'll put this full box down as my edit and then just put an edit sticker. No, I guess it makes sense to have it be two totally different colors and not have it be pink, and just put edit here. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And then do a pink half box for one thing I'm gonna get done in the evening. Basically just almost treating it like a work day, except that I'm gonna sleep in. And then instead of work, I will just edit. These are also not lined up. I am epically failing at getting stickers on straight. So I think I'm gonna do some sticker surgery because I want some of these, like these stickers, these like icons, but I don't necessarily want the words. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut out just this little laptop and take off the words and just put that here and work on my online class on Monday evening or afternoon, depending on how long it takes me to edit. Oh, there is, look at this, there's an email sticker. Oh my gosh, well, that's perfect. I'm just gonna put that right here because that's what I'm gonna do in that box. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on Tuesday. I'm gonna just cut out this little laptop sticker. Tuesday morning, I'm going to prep the videos that I edited on Monday. When I say prep, by the way, I mean like get the thumbnail and all that kind of stuff ready. So when I'm done editing it, then they'll upload overnight and then I will prep them Tuesday morning, the Wednesday and Friday video. Tuesday during lunch is Lattes with Laken. If you guys didn't see my Instagram story, last week's Lattes with Laken did not save. There were some technical difficulties. I felt so bad. I know a lot of you like to watch the replay and there were some really great questions. I'm gonna try to answer some of them and other times because they were great. And I am so bummed that it didn't save. So that's Tuesday during lunch. Tuesday after work, I'm actually taking Charlie to the vet. She's fine, no worries. She's just going in for a checkup. I don't know if any of these stickers really work. Like none of them are really, I'll just write it in. I don't necessarily need a sticker for everything. I mean, I probably have a sticker for everything, but I don't necessarily need a sticker for everything. Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, I need to finish budget boot camp because it's not going to be free after Sunday. And as much as I am trying to catch up a little bit this weekend, I know I won't fully. So I am gonna do that Wednesday and Thursday morning. I'm not gonna put down a sticker for that. Wednesday during lunch, I have a call. So I'm gonna use one of these cute little call stickers. And then I'll just write who it's with right next to that. Wednesday night, I want to work on my like content plan for June. So do I want to put that? I think what I want to do, is cut this apart, cut this Instagram, because that's really what it's for. I mean, it is YouTube as well, but YouTube's pretty easy because, you know, Mondays and Wednesdays are vlogs and plan with me's, and Friday is the only thing up in the air. And one of those is the goals video. So, you know, it's pretty easy. So really it's an Instagram content plan. So I'm gonna just put this little Instagram sticker to mark that. Thursday morning is budget boot camp. Thursday during lunch is editing the weekly vlog. So I think I'll just put edit here, and I know that it's the weekly vlog because at that point that will be the only thing that I have to edit, and that's filmed and not edited. And then Thursday night again is my online class. So I want to cut a little laptop and duplicate that again. I feel like I'm putting a lot of extra stickers down this week so far. All right, the rest of the week, there are still some things that are kind of up in the air and not finalized the rest of the week. I actually might be taking Friday off for something, and it's just kind of all still up in the air. So I am actually not going to plan out the weekend. I know you're probably gasping. It has been a really long time since I did that, since I just left the weekend blank. But again, so much up in the air right now that I don't want to put it down, especially on stickers that are so not removable. If these stickers were a little bit more removable, I might consider it, because there are enough here that if things change drastically, I could just take everything off and redo it. But because they're so hard to take off, and I can use Undo. If you've never heard of Undo, it's this goo basically that you can get at Michael's, and it takes off any sticker, but it gives me all kinds of feelings because it makes your page totally wet and it dries. It's magic. I don't know what it is, but I just don't want to risk it. So I'm gonna leave this side blank for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Micro Perm 03. Again, super glossy stickers, so you need a permanent pen for sure. All right, it is time for our weekly check-in. Let me know down in the comments, how have things been going? How are you doing? Let us know. Feel free to get anything off your chest that you need to share with us. I'm really glad that we're creating a space where all of you are comfortable sharing your thoughts and your feelings and just how things are going for you. I also wanted to ask you a question. So somebody mentioned recently that my plan with me's are getting pretty consistent because my setup is not really changing, and the way that I approach things is very consistent week to week, and that maybe you're not getting as much out of them. And so I wanted to ask, is there anything that you think I could do differently that would add value to these plan with me's, even though my style isn't changing? I love creating content to provide ideas and provide value to you, but I also am going to use my planner in the way that it works best for me, and to use the planners that work best for me, even if they're not the planner that everybody uses. And so I just want to ask, is there anything specific that I could do without changing my planning style that would help you maybe get more value out of these weekly plan with me videos? So I didn't love the way that this wrote on there. It just, I don't know, it didn't glide very easily. It was kind of hard to write. So I don't know if it would be better if I had used a thicker permanent pen that may have glided a little bit easier. It definitely wasn't the same experience writing with this pen on these stickers as it is writing on like the Christian design stickers. I'm not really sure why, but it wasn't my favorite, but I made it through and I got everything down. I probably would have written out budget boot camp had I been happier with the pen that I was using, but it's fine. It is what it is. But that's it. That's all I'm planning this week. I really am trying to do a better job of giving myself a little bit more space in my schedule, a little bit more white space to kind of relax and figure things out, because I just have felt a little bit out of it the past few weeks. So that's why there's not a whole lot planned, because I'm not trying to cram a bunch in, especially around my 9 to 5. If I don't have energy on the weekends, how do I expect myself to have energy during the week? So that is going to be it for this plan with me. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. Not taking Monday, we get Monday. That's all right. It is what it is. Okay. I almost said in this episode. It's not an episode.